This is from the company Pawaboo. What a cool name, the Pawaboo. And let's just pull it out. I took it out and kind of looked at it over it, and there's really not much to it. I don't think there's, it came wrapped up in this little package right here, and here's the box. And check out how it looks. It has a very premium look to it. It has a like a plush lined right there, and it feels like there's like some sort of cardboard or plastic down inside there. Some snaps right there, some outside pockets for putting snacks and things like that. Pretty simple to put this thing together, and I'm going to show you how this thing works. You're going to zip that up. It is very simple to build this thing, everybody. It just goes like that, and then this goes up like that. There's a little snap, and these snaps are pretty high quality, and it's got the logo on the front, Pawaboo, just like that. And then make this. That wind's really picking up. I have a van, and I have a small dog. You see this right here? This is for latching onto their collar so they can't jump out. And then there's a little pillow that kind of goes down in there like that for them to sit on. Oh, that's the foam. So you got some foam down in there. And this just kind of latches around your armrest. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up in my van, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys how well this thing works. So let's go ahead, let's get it put in the van now. So check it out. I have Remo in the box right here. He seems to just fit just perfectly. See how he fits down in there? You can open these up right here, but look how that's an adjustable. So that's like an arm sling, but check it out. Easily carry him around and get him ready to put him in the van. So let me take him out of here and get him ready to set in the van. Check out how I can just leave him in this box, and he's all good to go. I really like this thing a lot. This thing is awesome. So I'm here in my van, and the type of console you're gonna need is the lift up style. I just realized mine comes up like this and set it straight up. So these won't go on there as easy, but what I'm gonna try to do is just run them under there and under there because the hinge is right here. But just to note that you need to have the one that lifts up, but I think it's still gonna work for me. So let me try to get them on there now. Okay, there it is, everybody. I got Remo in there, and let me show you how this thing works. So he's basically gonna be able to lay down in here. See this right here? He is tied in right here, so he's not going to go anywhere. And also, in the event of an accident, he's locked in right here, so he's not going to go flying. And he just lays. He can stay right there in my center console while I'm driving. He's probably about the big as you want to go with this thing, but he's actually pretty comfortable down in there. I took the pillow out so he'd have a little more room, but look at that. You like it in there, Remo? Look, he's already taken a nap. The armrest down, and then he's protected right there, and he will not jump out. He will not move. And you know what? We have a little area right here if I need to open up and give him some more room. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Pawaboo, the Pawaboo center console dog and cat holder. See you all in the next video.